Let me show you how to make a pie chart inside of Google Forms. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart in Google Forms. So let's go ahead and jump over to Google Forms. Okay, so this is my Google Forms account, and I'm going to select one of these accounts where I want to create the pie chart. So let's go ahead and jump over to this party RSVP form. And to create the pie chart, it's going to be available over here on the responses. Now, right now, we have some available pie charts depending on what was submitted. In this case, for example, will you attend the party? And we have 3 responses. So we have 2 responses for the yes and 1 for maybe. Now I have a pie chart here. I can go ahead and copy this pie chart and paste it somewhere I need it. The downside to this is that there's no customization to the actual pie chart. So I'm just stuck to the colors that I have available here and the look and style of this pie chart. I can't even change the way it's going to be displayed. Now, there's a workaround to this. I can view this in a sheet and create a pie chart over here that's going to give me more customization. To do this, I'm going to select the row that I'm going to use. I'm going to go to insert and I can jump into chart. In this case, it just created a pie chart based on those responses. So inside of Google Sheets, I'll have more flexibility for the pie chart. I can go ahead and select it here and have the available options on the right. For example, I can change the color for this specific response. For example, instead of blue, I'm going to do a more of a aqua color. I have the distance from the center. I can change those options here to separate this, which is useful depending on the use case. The chart style, so the background, the font, the chart border, I can reset the layout. I can make this 3D to have a little bit better look for this case. Maximize the pie chart options here, the pie slice, the chart and axis title, and the legend for this. So it gives me more customization settings here in Google Sheets for that Google form that was just filled out. Now, if you want to have more customization, there's another option that I want to show you, which is actually Jotform. So let's go ahead and grab one of the forms that has submissions already, which has 19 submissions here. Let's go ahead and jump into the actual submission view, and we'll be able to view all the available details here. Now, to create a report and have customization to create that pie chart, we can do that by creating a brand new tab right here. There's an option that says reports. Let's go ahead and select this. Let's hit next. And I'm going to grab this feedback form. Let's hit next. Here we go. And I can start from scratch to create that pie chart. I can use an extended report or a compact report. I'm going to use compact report for this purpose. Now down here, I'll be able to view all the available details that were filled out. So for example, we have a few submissions here for the details. Now I'm gonna convert this into a pie chart. So let's go ahead and click on the options here. Here we go. Let's turn this into a pie chart here. And now we have a clear view of the pie chart here. Now it converts it. I can move it around. I can make a different report for this, and I can customize the look and style of the pie chart straight from here. For example, I could add a legend to this. I can use a table grid to view the pie chart and details as a table grid. I can customize the data details here. So for example, maybe I don't need the names, maybe I do, maybe I don't need the response value, percentage of total, round percentage, the option settings here, the color palette for this pie chart, option limits, sort by, many available options. And then we have the style options over here to change the font family, the font size, the text color, the alignment, the style, the chart settings, the primary text, secondary text, and just so many styles that can be changed right here for this. And if I want to add a brand new pie chart straight from here, I can click on this option here and create it from here. So as you can see, you have 2 available options to make your pie chart here on Google Forms by jumping into responses or doing it in view sheets. So it's practical in that sense. And you have the secondary option to use Jotform to create those pie charts. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the available options for the pie chart here on Google Forms and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.